Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on the function to add application icons to home screen in a Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to enable it. First we need to access settings. Then in settings we are looking for home and lock screen menu. Next, home settings menu, and here we have home screen style. And then next to app tray option we have this cog menu here, and here it is, add app icons to home screen for new apps, of course. So when we there is no other menu hidden here, it's a simple on or off switch. So now we can close our menus and it's on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.